Good day, guys. Another video for today. Sa tong libuat nako. Yeah, just did a quick vlog for today, and the thing is, I've been using this two here, these two cameras with me, and yeah. So before anything else, I'm not sponsored or any way with these cameras here. Kanang ang hitabo lang is I was just trying because lately I've been using this camera more. This is the Osmo Pocket 3. The good thing about this camera here is it can shoot 4K. It's very tiny, paspas siya charge, and siya quick kadang battery here that you can place. I've used this and I've even used this for weddings, and this is a very good quality camera. So kanang nani siya pros and cons both. Kani siya when I'm using it. The pros are kanang nindot siya quality and stabilized siya, dili siya uyog, and it's a gimbal. It's stabilized. It's very good. Kanang the only problem with this camera here is that kung low light, kung grabe na kay nga low light, di siya nindot. But the thing is, yeah, if you're shooting like semi-low light, like with lights like these, this is just fine. Also, ang yang photo nga part is kas gamay siya ka sensor, di kay ko ganahan mag-take og photos niya. So mo na siya problema. I do take photos and I do take videos at the same time. So kani siya it's not in there. Also, ang iyang kuha is this since gamay siya sensor, and although dako siya aperture, which is supposed to make the background blur, like this camera here, if I do this, will blur in background. So if I do this, kita ka, will blur in background. The thing is, kanin siya dili kay siya gamay siya sensor, and dili siya makapa-blur sa background. Even though kanang iyang aperture is like 1.7 f1 point. I forgot pila aperture. But anyway, gamay ni siya aperture, but the thing is, it's not gonna blur the background because gamay siyang sensor. Though it's very good, it's very handy. You can use it all the time. You can use it anywhere. Na siya wireless microphone, nga di na kay plug, and you can just put the wireless receiver here, and you can use this camera for all you go. Also, this one here is the other one that I'm using is the Sony A7C, and you can change the lenses, whatever. Ang nakanice niya nga camera is that I can use it for vlogging. It's very good with low light. Video quality is good. The colors are good. It's 10-bit. 10-bit ito siya, but the colors are good. And you can use other lenses here. You can use shallow depth of field lenses, and full frame siya, and very good with low light. So if you're shooting at night na lisod na gid ang light, this is gonna give you a good quality. The cons is dili siya stabilized. You're up to your handheld ability, but if you can put it on a tripod, it's good. But magdala-dala sa tripod, and it's a big camera, you're gonna need a tripod. It's gonna be big, though the quality is so good. Also, I can take photos with this, so I'm also a photographer. So usan na siya kabuok, photography camera and video camera. That's all in one. That's the only thing. It's a bit big, and you might need a tripod for it if you want to shoot in low light and like kurog. But yeah, both are good. So I'm trying them today. I'm using them for today's vlog. Just check it out. Today's vlog's just nothing. Just me trying to film myself going out, whatever. Anyway, yeah. And another thing that I want to mention, it's not related to vlogging. It's not related to making videos. But if you're taking photos with this camera, na disappoint na ko a part here. Because the thing is, you see this lower part here, na siya ang details, na siyang aperture, ang settings ng camera. If you're shooting, it should include the whole frame. So magtuo ko sa nga kay samok naman nga ri. Ako nang din apil mura ni akong frame diri niya. Napadi sobra nga ri. So di ang akong gipicturan dili siya centered, na siya gamayng sobra sa ubos. Though it's fine, you can just easily crop it. But the thing is, mas may untag, I don't know, block ni siya nga ri sa ubos niya. Murag ang whole frame na gid mo makita ba. But that's okay. So yeah, for today's vlog, I'll be using these two cameras, and just see how these two cameras differ. I like both, and wala ko'y preference. Although, yeah, I like this because for photos, but I like that for wala ko'y preference. Whatever camera I have with me, I'm gonna use. So yeah, that's it. That's the vlog for today, and yeah, I'm trying to upload a lot of my old vlogs. So this is how we go, and yeah, hopefully I can put more vlogs in the mix and all the panos vlogs. But yeah, other than that, that's it. Enjoy the vlog. Good day, guys. Karong adlaw nag-clean ko sa house. Today is my cleaning day because like in a few days, like on the 31st na inspection here in Australia, kung na-inspection sa inyong place, you have to clean it. So not as like kanang routine inspection nga. They're gonna check the house kung nabay guba o unsa. So unlike us sa Pilipinas sa Pilipinas nga, kuan magrenta tag balay, inigkuha sa kanang tag-iya sa balay, wala na las pag na kay malay kay walay kuan-kuan dire kay they do routine checkups. Yan na sila kanang real estate agent, which is gonna take care of your property manager, which manages the property and say magbahala sa bayad and everything, and unsay angay paayo. So the thing is also there are things na maguba sa balay, so they have to do that one. They try to like come over your place, check out the place, and before ka mag-rent na siya listag unsay mga guba sa place. So they check it, and if it says naguba lagi ni, they check it and tanaw nila nga namin sa lista nga guba, so that's fine. But if they see something na naguba lagi ni siya, wag ko ra, you didn't report it, so you have to report maguba na something wrong with the house. And that's why I myself also try to make the house clean, try to make it look good muna siya. And they also take photos mo bilis sa imong mga cabinet. They take photos, naguba lagi ni, picture nila, and they review it after. So ipakita nila sa tagiya sa balay, sa tagiya gyud, and then if it's still clean, kita ang tagiya sa balay, nindot lagi. So they either don't di nila i-change imong renta, di na patasan, or they just give you gamay nga taas sa renta. So that's why every time na I check up, we make sure the house is clean para itanaw sa tagiya, may lagi pagagamang ako lugar, so di ko taga price increase. And we're so fortunate to not have that high price increase sa Balaya, but then again we have to take care of it. So that's why I'm cleaning now. Kanina sa taas, I didn't film because I didn't think I'm filming. Nag-pressure washer ko sa taas kadang sa balcony ba kay lumot man na siya, kada lumot laro man kay na. So now I'm at the back of the house. I'm sorry ko nakalimot mo ko. Yeah, at the back basta nalimot ko sa kuwaon. I'll be back a bit. And naka-remember na ko sa kuwaon, I was supposed to get the knife. The thing is, nag-try ko kuan kanang mow diri sa lawn. So it's like kanang whippersnipper. And here it is. So I just tried to mow the lawn. And namo ko yung mga vines di sa taas, so diha mga vines nga murag masuksok sa kuan. Though I did a good job cleaning everything. Yeah. So yeah, sa diha pisik-pisik ko ng mga sagbot ko. Lakas ko na siya, that's a water heater because it's very cold here, but that's alright. Pumunta na ba? So usa sa initial things na akong dapat buhato karon is kani siya. See this? Kanang naglambud. So I need to remove that. This is just an electric one. This is a Ryobi electric. So I just finished cleaning. Wala sa nung video kasi I have all videos with it, but the thing is kani siya dapat clean. So I'm gonna try to take this off. Nalambud siya. Let's do this. So yeah, muna ito kailangan tanggalin. Slowly remove it. Naman siya vines, and kahit makugulo, tried still use it against the vines. Dapat good pagsugod pag daghan ani ako na ni siyang giputol, tapol gipadayon yun no. There you go. So okay na, right there na, you're free. So yeah, there you go. It's also best you clean your stuff whenever you finish doing all these chores. Dapat clean mo para nindot siya. And bati siya again. Let's do it again. So also you have to clean your stuff so that to make sure na okay siya. So after doing all these things, you need to wash your equipments para good siya next time ng gamit. So let's clean the equipments. So let's clean this thing. Kaya basa ang motor kay nadaot. It's a tip. It's really a tip. So after that, ato na siyang ihipos storage kung ano itong baterya kaya dito na sa other stuff. There we go. Here's the battery. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for now, and I'll see if I can clean the car if it's gonna look good if I clean it a bit. Ako na ni car wash na siya para dito. So yeah, that's it for today. Mag-clean pa ko sa other parts of the house on another day, but for now, that's it. So yeah, look at that beautiful Subaru. My pride and joy. Yeah. Been vlogging for a while now nga kabaw ko nga kanang blown out. Wait, how do I do that? Here you go. So let's go. I've been vlogging a while now to know na mas nindot yun ang quality sa DSLR, and I know that I love my DSLR, but the thing is wala siya kanang stabilization. So when you walk, it's jerky and everything, but sometimes ang jerky makadindot sila siya sa kuat nga more siyang natural footage. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, kanang manakog limpyo sa balay for now, and manas ako do sa other stuffs, and the thing is magawas ko kaya I'm gonna clean this bad boy. Ako siyang gitry spray kanina but wala makuha ko. So ang pressure washer na ko dili kusgan tatawa napay hugaw. So I'm just gonna clean this up, and yeah, let's go. So as much as I love my cross-trek so much, I need to clean the Jeep also para mabaligyan din ako siya. So I need to go out, wash this thing, and yeah, kung pressure washer is not doing a good job, it's just for home, siguro gunsa. But yeah, what I feel is di kasi akong volume of water, igigo niya, what di lang siya ka-clean. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the car wash, and yeah, much better there kay di na ako maglimpyo, and then ato na lang tanan. You just wash it there, soap it there, ang mga buling dito na. You don't have to carry anything. So that's what we're going to do now, and yeah, let's go. So got some oil. We'll zoom kayo siya. So got some oil, and yeah. So I'm currently here as a car wash because the thing is, one of the things I don't like about the car is, okay, one of the things I really hate about the car is that kanang di siya clean. And that doesn't mean sa car lang, like other stuff, like kung sa balay di clean. So I really hate it. My stuff, my workstation is not clean. I can't process it. I couldn't process. Di ko kabuhat. Wala ko mabuhat. So now I'm in the washer. Now I'm gonna wash this car here. And when I have time, I wash the other car. Kasi munang naana sa kong kuhaan nga. Ganahan lang ko limpyo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ano man, walman ka. So nothing, what the fuck, man? What's going on with you? So nothing really is eventful today. Murag gawas lang ko kadali. And I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna make some edit some videos for BISAYA BAI vlog. I've been nagana kay nga panos nga vlogs, but yeah, thing is life is not easy. It's not easy to vlog, yeah, especially mo lagi wala kay drive to make one. So I've finished most of my edits last night, so I have a drive to make vlogs. That's why I'm filming right now, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Bye. So this is my favorite camera here. This is the Sony FX3. Ako na lang ni suksok sa vlog. Di pagaw ko. It's because this is my favorite camera. It looks so good. It's gray. It's so good. It has a fan. It can shoot videos forever. And it's very good with low light. And I love how it is. I'm not asking for more. This is all I need. New cameras might come. They might have good specs. But this camera here is one of my best cameras. The only thing is that I always go back to my A1 because the thing is this does not shoot photos. It does shoot photos, but it's low megapixels, like 112 megapixels. It's not good for me as a photographer. I'm a photographer first, so that's why. And that's why I use my A7C, because the thing is I only use 4K 25. This could shoot 4K 120, 4K 60, 4K 50, whatever. But yeah, this is my favorite camera. I just don't want it to break. I just want it to be there forever. So I use it for my events, for weddings and everything else. And I try to take care of it as much as I can. Again, this is the Sony FX3, my favorite camera. Dapat Bisaya man to. Nag-English ko. Sige lang. Okay na.